In the Mexican culture, there's a sound in mariachi music that can signify immense joy or sadness, a sound that fills ballrooms of quinceañeras and backyard family gatherings. Sarah Alshay is here for you now with the sound that unifies a nation.
It's a point of love for yourself, for your community, and for your culture.
An explanation and an expression of life.
Like it's something that just comes out from within.
It's a sound many Mexicans are familiar with.
At dances, at quinceañeras, at the barbecues.
It can be at the football game, at the baseball game, at any sports event, at a big event.
The grito is a sound most commonly heard in mariachi music. It's an emotional expression by the singer.
It could be almost like a cry if it's an emotional song, and then it could be happy when it's a really, happy, good-going song.
Grito is the Spanish word for yell, shout, or cry, but in the Mexican culture, it means much more.
An expression of joy, of relief, of tension release.
Diego Rivera is a jazz studies professor at Michigan State University. He says the grito is unique because it's not only for musicians.
The audience members also can participate, and I think that brings it closer together.
Someone who's experienced that firsthand is Norma Patricia Serna. She's a mariachi singer in Lansing.
It feels great. It feels like the music's really touching them.
Gritos aren't just emotional, their origins are actually political, and they date all the way back to the 1800s in Hidalgo, Mexico.
On September 16, 1810, Catholic priest Miguel Hidalgo rang his church bell and gave the call to arms, starting the Mexican War of Independence. Historians call that the original grito, and every year it's reenacted in Mexico.
The president comes out and announces all of the heroes of the revolution.
Viva Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla! Viva Mexico!
That is the grito de la independencia.
Lorenzo Lopez is a historian in Lansing. He says today there are two types of gritos: the emotional grito in songs and el grito ceremony on Mexico's Independence Day.
It's an expression of our identity and is an expression of our unity.
So whether it's on September 15th for Mexico's Independence Day or during a mariachi song,
Decirle que usted es mi vida.
The grito is a central part of the Mexican culture. But regardless of where you're from, the grito is for everyone.
It doesn't matter what language you speak. Put out the grito, reduce your stress, smile, and just continue on.
Here for you in Lansing, Sarah Alshay, 6 News.